So samahan niyo po kami. Meron kaming sorpresa at mas malaking sorpresa para sa inyo. Only here at Winter Night Market Season 3. So please. And now, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to number.
Which one?
One. Sorry, hindi kasama sa number 5. Sarap ba? Okay, sir.
Actually, when I was starting the new year, so it's supposed to be like someone joining the new year with the end of the year. So the one which I see having to live moving and counting the same time is number
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or number 5?
number 3.
Number 3! Congratulations! Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you, but don't worry. You have the consolation. Okay, para sa bata yan. Halika dito. At dahil dyan, isang malakas na palakpakan naman, everybody. Meron kang pag-grocery. At syempre, dadang. Eto pa! Eto pa, syempre. May pabigas ka from Victor. Palakpakan naman natin. Pero syempre, picture muna, picture. Ayan. Pero alam mo, syempre, nandito tayo sa Winter Night Market. Yes. Gusto ko mapasaya. At nagpasaya rin siya. Eto. Ben! Ako siya ako. Ben! Halika dito. Palampakan niyo naman. Ikaw! Ben! Siya. Palampakan niyo naman, guys. Come on, everyone. Keep a round of applause. Pinasaya mo ang madlang people at dahil dyan. Tingnan sako. Sako ko lang ba? De, kaya gusto ko nagpapuntay din. Yay! Give a round of applause, everyone. Come on, come here. Let's go. Picture. Ayan, picture na.
Very good.
Ayan, ready?
Summer at winter night.
Again, Merry Christmas sa inyo, guys. Ayan. So thank you so much, everybody. Again, everyone, God bless you. Kami naman ang magpa-party ngayong gabi. So again, thank you so much sa inyo, guys. So, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year! Merry Christmas, everybody.